pictures. Wala ko rin ko naman.
Ano yung pupukusan na eh?
Dali, patuka. Patuka. Ikaw naman ako na picture dali.
Oo, naka-video pa nga. So, gawan mo na.
Naka-video pa.
Hindi ako marunong mag-picture.
Ako may video.
Oo. Nagbibidyo na yan. Nag-play na yan, kuya.
Ayun pala eh.
Dad!
Yes.
It's already playing.
What are you doing?
It's playing.
Oh, it's playing?
Yes.
Oh, it's a video.
We're on a coral reef.
YouTube.
Oh, look at.
No, look behind us. Ala. Ay, dari ko.
Para maantay.
Ay, kung dami. Ay, hindi magkaintindihan sila. Oh.
Sa video. Where are you?
With
Ate Florida is here. Sabi ko naman eh. Ay, sino pasimolo? Ate Florida.
Well, they ate it all.
Whoa, look at all the fish.
Pagdating dito.
Buti hindi
We
nila
are looking
pagkalit.
at, we're in Mabini,
Yan ang pagkalit.
and
Hindi ko pa kaya.
you see a boat,
Pag-alit.
and you see them, they're swarming. They're parrotfish, big floundery fish, and apparently some very, very tasty fish. But we're not going to eat them because what?
See, they heard you.
There. There.
Oh, no! See.
I don't want to jump on you. Then it's yours.
Ah!
Oh, you look at Ay, kumakapain.
If they jump on you.
We're right by the boat's edge, right here.
Ay, itong lalaki. Very big.
Look at the
Dito ka na lang.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, parrotfish? Yeah, parrotfish. Yep, that one. Get it. Wait, is it here? It's a video.
Sino ka may...
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to... Okay, there's no way to... I don't want to zoom. Oh, you see it? It's hard. Look in the video. Look how hard it is. I can't see anything. Look, you can. Getting clear on?
Ayan sila mga buglaw.
Oh, very big. Bura.
Parrotfish.
What?
Parrotfish.
Basta sabi niya may
In English.
pinaka-highlight ng isda.
The colorful one?
No, what is the English? Bura. There is no English, I think. In Bura. Di Burak.
Burang, ito ano ng...
O parang sa Buraca yata.
Is that the fish?
Marami rin
Bura?
ulit na ginagaya
That
ng
one,
ano.
very big.
Parrotfish.
Yes. Oh, no.
Parrotfish. Because of its mouth.
What do you call it?
Parrot.
Very fish.
Perot. Yung
Because it's
parrot.
colorful.
Yes.
Like a parrot.
Yeah, perot.
Parrot. Parrot fish. Because it's long...
Mouth. Yeah, the mouth.
Oh, yes. Very fish. Parrot. I can see it.
Isang
It looks like a lot.
Pero, parang pero.
Hey, get him closer here, Catherine. Get him right here.
Daw muso. Ito malalaki na lalo.
Oh, look at they're coming. They're swarming.
Walang binabawas dito. Paano paghabagat siya niya napunta?
Have your hand going in.
Habagat?
No, it's good.
At malalaki ang alon?
Wow.
Hindi na kayo tunalayo. Napunta din sa...
Wow.
Kaya pala doon kinaano, maraming pangaritan.
Thank you, Tita Malo. Thank you. Oh, no. What happened? I don't know.
You can stop that and play again. So we have a lot of...
What do you mean play? Play what?
Stop and play again.
Oh, stop
And
Oh.
record again.
You can?
Yeah, you can.
So record again daw. Record again.
Record sa kaso mo, brother.
Go.
Over there.
Yeah.
The fish is watching Ate Florida.
Kasi kunin mga kami habang nagkagayam.
Yeah.
Fish. Hi, Caroline.
Hi, guys.
Sorry. You missed this. With dive and thread. You are there in paint and work. So, we're here in dive and thread. Gusto mo lang ako sa nagpipinta dyan. Kami na may nanonood na nakakalang isa at may ihaw na kami.
Ay, anong banda? Ayan, there.
Sa malayo-layo mo tapos. Hello!
Oh, yeah.
Say hi, ma'am. Look at the fish, ma'am. Look at the fish. So next time you come here,
Yeah.
so they're eating candy.
You must name that the other fish, which is the blue one. With a red eye. The red eye one is called Uming.
Sama-sama sila.
Yeah, ayaw kamay. Ano ako'y natatakot? Ito version niya hindi tataob. Hindi tataob. Ito pala, yes. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Oh, parang napagaya naman. Napagaya naman.
Bakit niya ba? Oh, ano kong lalaki? Ay! Opo, ay siya naman kilo ang isa.
Ako sumipa.
Diyos ko. Ano ko namang awa mo na look siya na ang isa din sa loob.
Takbo sila.
Oo. Hindi siya susunod, hindi na pwedeng hindi ako babawi. I will get you! That big one.
I-video mo.
Wow! Wow!
Then we have more time, you can just go fishing.
Yeah! Eat that! Okay. Yeah. Treasury, and
Ganun na lang.
Hello. I like feeding kids.
Yeah! Yeah! Ides mo!
Ano bang mag-zoom yan para lumapit? Zoom?
Ali, are.
Pinipindot dahan-dahan dahil yan, lalapit siya. Hindi magandang kunan. Yan. Lalapit, lalayo. Pero na pag ganun, pakaliwa, pag ganun. Hindi ka, nag-iiba ganun din.
Masama naman ang mata.
Lalaki. Gusto kong manghuli.
Nakakatakot, baka ako'y mangatal at biglang magpata.
Aquarium. If you have an aquarium by my house, Philippine coral reef. So I have to pay $30 at home to feed us.
Oh.
Kaya mabilis lumaki dahil lang napunta dito magpapakain ng tinapay. Di
Ganun nga naman
mabilis
po
lumaki.
ginawa. Yung talagang Pilipinas, binili talaga yung mga islang yan.
Can we get the camera?
Pati
Oh,
mga
hindi.
bato. Pati mga bato.
Oo. Oh, ito ha. Enrico, so we are now looking. Oh, look at them. They're all zero. Yeah. And there was zero, and then yeah. So down here, you can't see, or I can't tell if you can see.
Ayoko. Tingnan mo. Ano yun?
Papagayon naman ang tapo.
Tapas.
No, para fishing boat coming by in the green in the background.
Maganda malayo.
Oh,
Fisher.
Sunod-sunod.
See all the ripples? That's the fish. No waves today. It's such a beautiful day.
Tapas. Ay, yun.
Look how beautiful it is today.
Ayun, malaki.
Look how beautiful it is today. Look is behind us.
Ay, naging
the
pa.
blue one.
Marami pang
Yellowfin.
yung mga buglaw, ano? Meron din buglaw?
There's a coral reef underneath us
Oh, welcome.
as the fish swim.
That's the name. Look at that. They welcome dive and
Matutulog
trek.
dyan.
We are at the dive and trek.
Yeah.
Siguro ang mahal ng bayad dyan, ano?
Nasa ipapa.
Ay, nilagay tayo. Sabi ko na baka may entrance tayo. See, we get rid of the entrance.
How?
We're from here.
Here.
Otherwise, you're gonna pay.
I'll pull it. Catherine is now holding it with both hands. Oh, because we're from here?
The entrance is
How much? 100 pesos? 200?
walang interest.
Wala.
Ang babayad ko sila yung lista dahil ako nagpakain ng tinapay.
Oh.
Dapat tayo may tinapay. Kapalit ng burak.
Wag.
Para kang nga tigala niyo, wag.
Wag.
Wag. Wag. At is the English of wag.
Ay, puto na daw ng ano. Palalabasin ko yan sa loob ng ano.
Pare namang isang kulit na rin mahuli lang.
Pupunta naman tayo muna sa palengke. Doon ka na lang bumawi.
Hello. Hi. Hey.
There are clownfish.
So if I jump there, they're gonna eat me.
No, there are clownfish in the Philippines.
16 no minutes.
Kagandang gumanto. Kagandang